working on some videos, editing, and I was just checking out our YouTube channel and seeing how our last video done. We are just shy of 1,800 views on this first video, and we have 104 subscribers, which is awesome. We appreciate you guys' support more than you know. It means a whole lot to us. Everything that y'all have said in the posts that we have made on Facebook, we really feel the community's support in what we're doing. I think we'll make y'all proud. We're gonna put our heart and soul into this renovation and make it something that the community can be proud of again.
I'm replacing that outer band on the back side that was rotting out.
Wait, can you video me real quick? Hey.
Okay.
This is our factory we're going to be testing up. We're going to be testing up this one part and then the big one.
I've ripped some of this T11 siding that we're replacing on the bottom. We're going to flash the top of it so that we don't get leaks. Again, the previous owners didn't flash it, and it caused some problems. It caused us to have to replace this back seal all across the back. So we're going to rip it down through there and take those out and put them back. We have all of the old T11 that was rotten, tore off, and I'm going to flash, and then I am going to put the new T11 on, and we've got some blocking replaced, different places. What's there looks black, but it's not actually rotten, which is a good thing, because I didn't want to have to replace any more of that back band. It's hard to replace it and hard to keep it level. And we kept the piers that they had, the 6x6s and 4x4s. We may go back later with concrete pillars. Yesterday we cut out all of the rot that was on the side of this wall and replaced it with the same kind of sheeting. The only difference is we flashed it with modern flashing. And we're going to caulk that. And then we're also going to flash the base that goes down into the band. It's on the outside right there. They didn't flash it the first time, which is why that rot happened. When the caulking wore out, it just started letting water get down in. And we have a little bit of rot on our band there, but we're going to replace it and put some motor oil and different things on it to hopefully ward off the rest.